you, me. It's Tom ATV. This is the fastest HHN construction update in history. HHN icon, still not up. Next, we got a new structure sign that is likely to have the Halloween Horror Nights verbiage from last year right across the top there. And that's new. The opening structure where people will stand, nothing new. Dr. Oddfellow's circus wagon proposed to be possibly where we get to meet Dr. Oddfellow. Nothing really new except the 5 triggers that they'll be stepping on for effects. Oh, Dr. Oddfellow. These boxes at the start of Dark Zodiac, not new. Those boxes over there, not new either. The Dark Zodiac banners, very cool, but not new. Yeah, you know, that is definitely not new, but very cool. The Mystery Machine is not even oh, forget it. This variant comic cover sign was new last time I shot it, but because of today, it's not new. Exorcist stuff, definitely not new. That stuff's not new. That stuff's not new. Those guys are not new. And nada has changed. Definitely not new, but definitely cool. But they've got something on top of there that they've bagged. Another Dark Zodiac banner, super cool, not new. The rumor about a little stage here and a show on it, not happening. It is not happening. And since it wasn't happening last week, it's still not new. Let's walk through Jungle of Doom. Not new. Boo Hole. Fuzzy garland thing. Not new. Not new. Not new. Not new. Plane's still rotting away. Nope. 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 Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Rats are toasting on an open fire. Under the blanket now. That's new. They're not showing the rats. We've got bags. We've got bags. Bags of what? That's new. That gray rock is new. Pretty cool. But the rest of this, including the bugs eating alive stuff, not new. Oh my gosh, something new. They've put up these symbols, which were at the entrance to a bar area over in San Francisco last year, and were very cool at night. Over here, that's new. Back here, they're putting a bar with food. Showed you it last time. Not new. Getting ready for food. Not new. So the structure isn't new, but it is different than any other year. It's a double wide kind of a thing. And they're shooting commercials down there, obviously, today. They were also 2 days ago, so that's not exactly new. But, we can count that. The fact that I just saw a brother and sister slugging each other in the arm and then kicking each other in the legs, fighting at Universal because they're mad at each other, not new. Nightmare Fuel Revenge Dream. Nightly during Halloween Horror Nights. So the banner's up, the sign's up. Although I did see it the other day, so it's not new, but I'm gonna count it because I didn't put it on video yet. Food booth, not new. You know, I think those string lights right there, are new. It is a little dark back here, so I think that's a really good idea because they did need to bring a little bit of light to this thing. So right there, that green box with the lighting inside of it, that they have turned it, so they must be testing the light. So they've turned it so it shines out into Diagon Alley. That is new. They've turned a box, ladies and gentlemen. Aren't you glad that you are watching Tom ATV? Hey, hit that subscribe while you're at it, if you wouldn't mind. Okay, a quick trip through Nocturne Alley, where it's so dark, after coming out of the bright light, I can't see a thing. This is not new. Ooh, we've got lighting and sound on the bar entrance, and they have changed the structure. This is going to be happening right through here. That is new. Let's go back here and see what the bar looks like. Yeah, some standing tables they have right there. They put a screen up over there. Don't know that that's really developed yet. But the bar has moved from that side to this side. Okay. That is new. So you can get away from it all back here. If you're looking for a place to relax for a minute and get out of the scrum out there that is Halloween Horror Nights, this might be your ticket back here. Okay, quick look at Shipyard 32. You've seen that? It is new, but it wasn't new on any of my videos. This red truck, shot it 2 days ago, not new. Here's a very small detail that is new. They put some netting and a rope on the crane. That is new. I mean, it's not the reason you tuned in, or maybe it is, but it's at least new. Shipyard 32 is happening. Okay, so the Good Guys booth and Chucky, that's the most disgusting, plain, sweet, lovable picture of Chucky I've ever seen. Where's the gross horror Chucky? I mean, this isn't new, but they did put this stuff out and splatter some blood on it, so we're getting there. But where's the real Chucky? This bar was here last year, and it served a wickedly good Bloody Mary. Looking forward to that this year. Hope it's the same thing. Not new, but I hope for that. Okay, so the Let's Get Loud show, not new, but definitely cool. I don't think I've shot that, so I'm going to call it new, not for Halloween Horror Nights. But here are some set pieces for the Vamp 69 Scare Zone, which you may have seen, but I haven't shot them yet. So there you go. Those are new. Okay, the bus in the Vamp 69 Scare Zone, not new, but the Music Fest or bus sign is new. Ticket booth, not new, but still looking good. Oh wow. She's new because I haven't seen her before. How about that? I don't think she's in the Vamp 69 Scare Zone though. So they are covering now a bunch of things in Vamp 69. I'm going to start again right there so it can be faster. So they're covering up some of the stage props in the Vamp 69 Scare Zone, which means something happened. Something happened on the stage. Please let a vampire version Oh, you know, right there, Janis Joplin. A vampire version of Janis Joplin and Jimi Hendrix come out here and sing. Dr. Oddfellow symbol up there. Awesome. Okay, there are some new details on the food booths for The Last of Us. Pretty cool. And they look like they are ready to go. So Ronna Mae and I like to come often on the ramp up to HHN because sometimes they do live food practice to put the people that will be working the booth under stress to get out some food. So HHN night 1 is not their very first night doing this. But we're ready with the registers. We're ready with the Yeti. We're ready with the Surfer Boy Pizza. But nothing new there. So here is the Stellar Bar, which isn't new, but I'm not sure I showed it on video last time. So there you go. It's the Universal Film Crew. Look who we've run into. Oh, they're not new, but boy, they're really good at their job. Got to show you All Hallows Eve Boutique because the merchandise has arrived. Let me show you. Some Dr. Oddfellow stuff. See You in the Fog shirts back in stock over here. They glow in the dark, everybody. Some other little blue shirts. Looking pretty good. Let me jump over on this side because what's on the Coke drink cup this year is also on a shirt right there. The Never Go Alone shirt. Look at, boy, if you can wear those sweatpants and that to Halloween Horror Nights, ooh, holy cow, God bless you. Some of this stuff is just too hot. So they've moved the wagon from last year at the Tribute store into All Hallows Boutique. Let me get back at it. So there it is. And they've got Little Boo plushes. Now, what's different about Little Boo plushes is it was a pillow last year. And the Little Boo plush is not little. It's big. So they've put the signage of Madame Basile on. That's pretty cool. Little Boo rules. But the thing is huge. I mean, I would have preferred a littler Boo. I mean, it's cool. But look at my hand. The thing is thinking, right? It's big. It's not little. It's Big Boo.
Why you keep thinking about it?
No, it's painful.
We've got vampire in this. All kinds of stuff here. So I don't think masks are allowed at HHN. Those are cool, but not sure they're going to let you wear those, even if you buy it here.
Oh, yeah.
I think it was like
Some pretty cool Universal Monster shirts that I like. Pretty cool. We're starting to get a good look at this guy so we know what he looks like. So if you see that guy at HHN, not the guy checking people out, but that guy with the hat, you might want to avoid him.
It's going to be...
Look at this, Dr. Oddfellow. Take a chance. Obvious reference to Chance. And then Jack Smith, right there. Tickets for Dr. Oddfellow's and everyone's ducking my camera, so I feel bad. Back at the front again, so I just want to show you. That's where we started, back there. And people keep asking, why did they push the first scare zone all the way to the front doors? Because it usually is back in farther. I'll show you why. Because those guys are not scary. So they wanted to stay away from the family-friendly minions. So that's why it's up here. That's gonna do it. Fastest HHN walkthrough in history. Where else would you rather be than watching some Tom ATV?